Welcome to a new day of growth, healing, and alignment with your highest self. Today's card is Temperance, the embodiment of balance, healing, and divine timing. After the intensity of yesterday's transformation, the universe now brings you a moment of calm. Temperance is the gentle reminder that healing is not rushed, that balance is not forced, and that peace arrives when you stop trying to live in extremes. Take a breath and slowly return to your center. In the tarot, the angel pours water between two cups. This symbolizes the blending of your energies, your heart and mind, your masculine and feminine, your effort and surrender. Where have you been overdoing? Where have you been undergiving? Temperance restores harmony. You may not realize it, but the universe is quietly rearranging the pieces of your life so everything aligns at the right time. Things that felt chaotic are finding balance. Relationships are recalibrating. Opportunities are being purified. The message of Temperance is this: what is meant for you will never require you to rush, force, chase, or beg. Your blessings are arriving at the exact moment your energy matches their frequency. You are being guided to slow down, to breathe, to trust the process. You are healing even if you don't fully see it yet. Today's manifestation practice: move gently, drink water mindfully, speak kindly, take a slow walk. Do one thing that brings balance to your body or spirit. Repeat this affirmation: I am aligned, I am balanced, I trust divine timing. Temperance reminds you that life becomes beautiful when you stop trying to control the flow and instead move with it. Join us again, and one of the Omniscient family will be here to guide you forward to the Devil card, where destiny steps forward in powerful ways.